Coins may look simple, but every coin we use starts as a precise blend of metals and an extraordinary industrial process. The journey begins with raw metal sheets and coils of copper, nickel, and zinc arriving at the mint. Each batch is carefully inspected in laboratories, tested for purity, composition, and consistency. Only metals meeting strict standards proceed to production. The sheets are then stored in temperature-controlled warehouses, ready to be transformed. Next, the metal is fed into massive rolling mills. Thick sheets are compressed into uniform strips under immense pressure. Automated sensors constantly measure thickness, adjusting the rollers to maintain precision down to a fraction of a millimeter. After rolling, the metal cools along long conveyor belts, its surfaces reflecting the bright factory lights. The cooled sheets move into annealing furnaces, where they are heated to glowing temperatures to soften the metal. Heat waves ripple across the surface as the metal passes slowly through the furnace. It is then gradually cooled, stabilizing its properties for stamping. Any slight bend or imperfection is corrected by leveling machines before the next stage. Now, the blanking press comes into action. Powerful steel punches cut perfect circular blanks from the strips. The freshly punched blanks fall into collection bins with a satisfying metallic clang. Vibrating trays and inspection machines separate defective blanks from perfect ones, ensuring only flawless discs move forward. The blanks are then washed and polished in rotating drums, emerging smooth, bright, and ready for edge work. The blanks enter edge processing machines where precision reading and lettering are applied. Hardened steel rollers carve grooves and text along each coin's circumference. Every ridge, every letter is perfectly aligned. The edges now serve both aesthetic and anti-counterfeiting purposes. Meanwhile, coin designs are engraved onto hardened steel dies. Master designs are first created digitally and then etched with lasers into the dies. Each die is carefully hardened in furnaces and inspected under magnification. Tiny grooves, reliefs, and lettering must be perfect, as these dies will strike thousands of coins. High-pressure coin presses now dominate the factory floor. Blanks are positioned precisely between upper and lower dies. Hydraulic systems deliver hundreds of tons of pressure in milliseconds, impressing every detail onto the metal surface. In slow motion, you can see the metal flow into every groove, creating sharp designs and crisp lettering. Finished coins emerge, gleaming and fully formed, with raised reliefs and flawless edges. Each coin is then carefully inspected using high-speed cameras and vision systems. Any scratches, weak strikes, or misalignments are detected instantly, and defective coins are automatically removed. Approved coins flow into counting machines and weighing stations, ensuring that every batch is consistent in number and mass. Next, the coins are washed one last time and dried, removing any residual oil or dust. Automated packaging machines seal them into tamper-proof containers. These containers are stacked on pallets and moved by robotic forklifts into secure vaults, where coins are stored until shipment. Inventory tracking systems update batch numbers, quantities, and destinations in real time. Finally, the coins are loaded into armored vehicles, ready to leave the mint. Heavy steel doors close and the trucks roll out, beginning the journey to banks and into circulation. From raw metal to finely detailed currency, every coin is the result of a highly controlled, precise, and satisfying industrial process. Every time we hold a coin, we are holding the product of engineering, artistry, and rigorous quality control, meticulously crafted inside the mint.